Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Violet and Mommy Baking Show. Say, I'm Violet.
Violet.
No, say it loud. Say, I'm Violet.
I'm Violet.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy! And today, we're going to be making no-bake cookie dough fudge. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Does it sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, so I've gathered all our ingredients. And the first step is that we have to put our mini chocolate chips in the freezer. Crazy, huh? So let's do it. All right, our next step is we're going to take 1.5 cups of flour and we're going to microwave it so it's safe to eat without bacon. So can you pour that in?
Yeah.
Good, that's one. And we'll do 2 more scoops. All right, here's your other scoop. Can you put it in? Good job. All right, so now we're gonna microwave it for 45 seconds, it says, to make it safe, and then we'll stir it around. Oh, you're gonna pre-stir? Oh, very good. Very nice. All right, Violet, what's this?
I mean like cheese.
What?
I like cheese.
It's not cheese. It's it's butter. Butter.
Butter.
Yes, so we need to soften the butter. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. All right, we're gonna do this next. What is this, Violet?
Peanuts.
Do you know what it's called?
Yeah.
It's called sugar.
Go.
Sugar. Can you pour this in there?
Yeah.
Good. And then we gotta get the brown sugar. All right, we need 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
We're gonna use the 1/4 cup twice because the 1/2 cup is dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, pour it in. Woo, good job. Scoop. Back. Pour it in. Good job. Now we need, let's see, milk. What's this? You love milk, don't you?
Yeah, it's yummy, my tummy.
Yummy in your tummy, yes.
Yummy, my tummy.
All right, we need 2 tablespoons of this. So can you put this here? All right, dump it in. And 1 more. Good job. And then we need vanilla. Yep. I got it right here. So we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Can you hold this over the bowl?
Yeah.
You put this one down and put this one up. Okay. Mommy's gonna pour it in, and then you pour it in there.
Okay.
Whoop. All right. Good job. Do you know what this thing is called?
Yeah, it's blue.
It is blue, yes. But it's called the electric mixer. That's right. And when our mommy mixes with the electric mixer, we got to keep our hands far away, okay?
Okay.
All right, now we're going to put the flour mixture in this mixture. And whoa! Sorry. And then, it wasn't your fault, it was my fault. And then I'm going to put like, it says 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so we're just going to, looks good to me. All right, and then we got to stir, stir, stir. Can you stir, stir, stir for Mommy? Oh, very good stirring. Wow. Very nice. All right, Violet. Next, we're gonna pour this into this 1 cup. Can you help me pour? Wowee. Good. Yeah, so those are our white chocolate chips. And then we're gonna put a whole can of sweetened condensed milk in it. And we're gonna put it in the microwave. All right, we're gonna open up this sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, look how gooey, huh?
Yeah, the ball.
Ooh.
Whee!
That's gonna be so yummy. I would not stick your little scoopy in there, otherwise it's gonna get real sticky. I just accidentally poured sweetened condensed milk in Violet's hair. So now we're gonna get it out of Violet's hair hoping that just a wet paper towel is going to do it. Who would have known this would be a tutorial also on how to get sweetened condensed milk out of a little girl's hair. It looks to be a little clumpy and sticky, but it's mostly out, I think. Whoopies! Sorry.
Oopies.
All right. So I've got our sweetened condensed milk mixture.
Yeah.
And it's all the way heated up. You're gonna stir it a little. Thanks. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in this other mixture, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm in the window.
And then we'll use the spatula or rubber scraper to get it out. And then we're gonna mix it all together.
Yeah.
And of course you're gonna use your teaspoon to mix it together. Silly bean. We're having a good time mixing this together, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. It's looking pretty good.
Oh, it's good.
And then we have to very quickly put in our frozen chocolate chips so they don't melt. Put it in the pan and put it in the fridge. Okay?
Oopies.
All right, Violet, can you quick pour the chocolate chips into here while Mommy stirs it?
Yeah.
Okay. Not just one by one. Just pick up the whole thing and... Nope. Pick up the container. Here, Mommy help. Mommy help. Okay. Dump! And then I'll stir it and throw it in.